Here is how you can create this slick 3D mobile flip animation in Capcut under 3 minutes. All you need is a scrolling feed screen recording of your mobile. Once you have the video, drop them into the project, drag them into the timeline, right click, select extract audio and delete the audio. Go back and select the video, go to animation. Under the combo, you have multiple flip effects with the name of smartphones. Select the flip you want. Here I am selecting smartphone 1. It will give you a cool 3D flip animation of either the video or the photo which you have selected. If you club it with an animation before the video and after the video, it will look even better. Let me show you how. Here I have 3 images that was animated in one after the other, and by the time I go to the portion where I need to highlight the flip effect, I animated the images out, decorate the background with some scribble overlays to highlight the mobile flip effect, and by the time the flip effect is about to end, I will animate another image in, which will make the whole sequence look cool. Add some background music and SFX to uplift the edit, and you will have something like this. Hope this helped. Drop a like if you find it useful. Follow for more such tips and tutorials. Thank you and bye bye.